Welcome to my channel. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up the TP-Link Deco BE25 whole home mesh Wi-Fi 7 system quickly and easily. Whether you're upgrading your network or installing a mesh system for the first time, this step-by-step guide will help you get everything connected for fast and seamless coverage. Let's get started and enjoy next-level Wi-Fi performance. Step 1. Set up your Deco. First, let's start by setting up the Deco network. Get the TP-Link Deco app for iOS or Android, then follow the app to walk through the setup. Get the Deco app, scan the QR code below or go to Google Play or the App Store to download the Deco app. Install the app on your Android or iOS smartphone or tablet. Step 2. Log in or sign up with TP-Link ID. Open the app and log in with your TP-Link ID. If you don't have a TP-Link ID, create one first. Note, if you forgot your login password, tap Forgot Password. The app will help you reset your password. Step 3. Select your Deco model. Search for and select your Deco model. If you have more than one Deco model, tap the question below the search box to check how to maximize the overall network. Step 4. Plug in your Deco. Power off your modem. Connect your Deco to the modem and power them both on. If you don't have a modem, connect your Deco directly to the Ethernet outlet. Step 5. Wait until Deco's LED pulses blue. Wait until your Deco's LED pulses blue, then your phone/tablet will connect to the Deco's default Wi-Fi automatically. Step 6. Specify your Deco's location. Select or custom a location for your Deco. The location will be used as the name of your Deco. Step 7. Connect your Deco to the Internet. Select the Internet connection type and enter the information. If you are not sure, contact your Internet service provider. Step 8. Create your Wi-Fi network. Set a network name and a password. These will be the name and password you use to connect your devices to Wi-Fi. Step 9. Connect to your Wi-Fi network. Connect your phone/tablet to the Deco's Wi-Fi to continue the setup. Setup complete. Your Deco network is now up. You can connect your devices to the Deco network. You can also add more decos if any. If you're unable to set up your TP-Link Deco BE25 whole home mesh Wi-Fi 7 system or need our assistance, then you can reach us. Thanks for watching.